What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do something for you guys. I don't know if it has ever been done in Jamaica, but I'm gonna make a saltfish. Yes, guys. Me now go buy no saltfish for me ackee and saltfish. Me go make my own a saltfish. Alright? So as you already know, saltfish, ackee and saltfish is our national dish. So me really not understand why we are import saltfish. So today I'm gonna make my own and I'm gonna carry you guys on the journey. Okay? So please remember to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber to Super Cool Jamaica, and remember to share this video because we need everyone to know that they can make their own saltfish in Jamaica. Alright? We don't use the saltfish head, so I'm just gonna go off camera, get rid of the head of the fish and make it more look like what you guys are familiar with. Alright, so gonna get that done right now. Okay guys, so we're back and we have went ahead and remove the saltfish, the fish head. Actually this fish is mangrove snapper. Alright, but basically you can use any fish that you want and make your own saltfish. Alright, so we went ahead and removed the head and we actually slice the fish open. Okay, so as you can see, it's more looking like the saltfish that you guys are used to. Alright, so you just wanna make sure your fish is properly dried. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dry the fish properly. Okay guys, so basically you have to get the fish as dry as possible. Alright, so this fish was already dried, but because we just cut the inside, we actually have to get this part dried up also. Alright, basically what we're gonna use today to make our saltfish is basically salt and fish. Yes guys, all we're gonna use today is just salt and fish because basically we're making saltfish. Alright, so we're just gonna get this fish, this pan out of the way. Alright, so this is what we're gonna put our fish in. Alright, so what we wanna do first, we wanna get a coating of salt on the bottom of our pan. Generously. Remember, we're making saltfish, so pour generously. Alright, don't be a meanie now. Alright guys, so that's the first step. Alright, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna place our fish skin side down. This side is skin. We're gonna place it in our container with salt. Alright, basically that's what you want to do. Then now guys, after placing your fish, what you're gonna do next is just pour the rest of your salt on the fish. You want to make sure you coat all of the fish with salt. Alright, so I thought this was like gonna take a pound of salt, but maybe we're gonna, no, we're just gonna use a pack of salt. We're not gonna use more than this, because some of the places where there's no fish in the pan, we're gonna use back that salt. Okay, basically I just wanna get all of the fish covered with salt. Okay guys, alright, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna leave this just like this. You don't have to worry about it, it's gonna be okay. Alright, a little bit more salt. Alright, I don't think we're gonna need more salt, but we're gonna need a little bit more. You have to properly coat the fish with salt. Alright, and guys, storm season is just around the corner, so if your fridge, if there is no electricity and your fridge is out, this is a way that you can save your fish without losing it. Alright, so we're gonna put a little piece of foil over this. We're gonna bore a few holes in it. Basically that's it. So we're gonna leave this for a day. We're gonna leave this for 24 hours and then we're gonna check back on it. Alright, so we're gonna put this somewhere cool. Okay, alright guys, day 2 of the saltfish video, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so not much change. Yeah, you can feel the moisture leaving, the moisture coming out now. The salt is kind of wet. Alright, day 2. Okay guys, so this is day 4. After a week, this is what it actually looks like. Alright, so we're gonna take it out and remove the salt and see what we got here. Okay guys, so this is what the saltfish looks like after a week. Alright, so I'm just taking it out to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it's all dried out and cured. Alright, and this can also be eaten just like this. Alright, you know when a liquor and a grow, and mommy I cook saltfish 3-4 round or fight for the bone. Yes guys, saltfish. So saltfish made in Jamaica. Alright, so we're actually gonna put it back in the salt for a few more days but this saltfish can actually be used now. It's ready. Alright guys, so we're just gonna repeat the process like before. Put some salt on the bottom. And we only did one, but you can do as much as you want. So we don't have to import any saltfish now for our national dish. Alright? Yeah. Don't have to import everything from abroad. So, saltfish, super cool style. Please remember to share. Alright? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to Super Cool Jamaica, please do so. Alright? I'm out.